Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make basil ginger tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy basil ginger tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. This is very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add few fresh and tender basil leaves. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of ginger. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this basil ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the basil have come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice and let this boil for 10 seconds. Then strain the basil ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this basil ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To a mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. Now to this add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot and to this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek, quarter teaspoon of jeera, 2 dried red chilies, few curry leaves, few tender basil leaves, a pinch of asafoetida, the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mushy. Now the tomato is well cooked, so go ahead and add half cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and off the flame. Now our delicious basil rasam is ready. Serve it hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and definitely an immunity booster. So do try this basil rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.